Okay, we're back in action. Apparently. Not this song. Why? Czechia, Screaming Edda, anime. San Andreas, Colombia. We'll be right back. Tonga. Yes, I know it's a mock. You don't have to tell me. Lithuania is like, oh, New Caledonia. Your PC ran into a problem and needs a restart. We're just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. Hmm. What the hell? New Caledonia? Oh my god. Cambodia has like big eyes for the problem. Why does he have big eyes instead of having the normal eyes? New Jersey. Why is your face small, New Jersey? Oh no. I think I'm about to decrease time.